Let me show you an awesome experience in Rome at the Hotel Inghilterra. This is the suite balcony, and I'm going to show you how amazing this room can be for your special occasion or just to pamper yourself, just because you're awesome. All right, check it out. So you have a living room. That was your balcony number one. Closet for all your stuff. You should see how nice this room smells. So here's bathroom number one. Nice showers, bathrobes. And then you have your small living room here with the amazing attentions of this awesome place. Balcony number two takes you to your bedroom. Favorite colors. I'm enjoying this place so much. Third balcony. Again, Inghilterra Hotel. Here's where you have another area for your clothing and another bathroom. So just moving on with you to check the endless possibilities in Italy. Goodbye, amigos.